Aloha and welcome to the Joy of Crafting. Today, we are going to make an origami heart that you can use for Valentine's Day, or the way I feel, love is all year, so you can use it for a whole bunch of different projects all year long. It's a very easy origami heart to follow, and on this case, I actually just added it to a tag, which I'm going to attach to a little treat bag. So sit back, enjoy, and let's get folding. So we have here a 4-inch square, and what we do is we turn it on point, and then we're going to make the first fold, which is to meet it up to the other point to make like a triangle. So what you do is you grab this so that you can feel that it's even, then pinch it straight across, pinch it, work your way this way, and then work your way that way. And then I go in with the paper creaser to get the nice crease. So we have one. Now we want to go the opposite way so that we kind of have an X. So we're going to take that, but we're just going to pinch it. We're not going to fold it all the way. Okay. Now that we have our slight X, we're going to take this one, we're going to fold it down to where this middle line is. Then we're going to take this one and we're going to fold it up to that. Now we're going to take these side edges and we're going to fold it to the middle, like so. This is kind of like our heart already. Now all we have to do now is turn it over, and these little points are going to come down to this part. There we go. And then when you turn it over, voila, you have your heart. So this one, I just chose this one that says, "You're so sweet," because that's going to be like my message. And on the other side, it has the sprinkles. Now this heart is kind of big, so if I just put it like that, it wouldn't look right. So it's okay. I'm going to just kind of put it on its side. So if I wanted to, I could have left it open and used it as a pocket. But what I'll do is I have it on this side. You know, I could punch a hole and add a ribbon. But when I'm looking at it like this now, you know, if I wanted to, I could probably type out almost like a fortune cookie message and kind of stick it in like here and have it come out. So see, that's the fun part. You know, when you're actually working on something that you don't really know what the end result's going to be, and you're experimenting and you're playing along, and you can say like, oh, if I do this, I could add this or whatnot. So that's the fun part about doing crafts. And I hope that you explore and play around with things that you already have, mix it with some of the new things, and you'll create a whole new project. So thank you for joining me today, and I hope to learn a few tips and tricks on how to do some easy origami folding. Don't forget to join us on Instagram at The Joy of Crafting, as well as on Facebook at just Joy of Crafting. And of course, you're here on our YouTube channel. Tell your friends, and then you can all craft together. Because as you know, I'm just an everyday crafter, just like a lot of you. And if I can do it, so can you. So until the next time, happy crafting. I'm going to take this and I'm actually going to, what am I going to do? Okay, and then bye.